ABC Speaking Academy.
Hi, kids. Welcome back to our class, where learning is fun and easy. Today, we're going to learn how to say hello and goodbye in English. Are you ready? Let's go. We use greetings when we meet someone. Let's learn some fun ways to say hello. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Great job. We say good morning when we meet someone in the morning. We say good afternoon when it's after lunch. And we say good evening when it's late in the day. Now let's learn how to say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you later. See you soon. Have a nice day. Wow. You're doing amazing. We say goodbye or bye-bye when we leave someone. We can also say see you later. Or see you soon, when we'll meet again. Practice time. Now it's your turn, kids. When I say hello, you say hello, back. Ready? Hello.
Hello.
Awesome. Now let's try saying goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job, everyone. You did a fantastic job today. Now you know how to greet people and say goodbye in English. Remember. Say good morning when the sun is up. And good night before you sleep. If you liked learning with us today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun English lessons on ABC Speaking Academy. See you next time. Everyone, bye-bye.